Let's see if we can find a red convertible Mustang that can be self-driven in the Los Angeles area. So let's start by typing the model name into the search bar. Then select the appropriate rental type. In this case, we would like to select self-drive. Next, select the area you'd like to drive the car in. And now we can select convertible as the car's body type. If you don't feel comfortable driving a car with a manual transmission, then make sure to select automatic under the transmission section. And last, choose the car's type of origin, then make sure to click the Update View button, or else the search criteria will not be applied. Now it will be easy to find that perfect red convertible Mustang. After closely reading through the car's description and looking through its pictures as well, select your desired dates, then click the Request a Book button. And that's it! Now you know how to successfully find and book a specific model on Vinty.